That was a long lecture.
Seriously, I almost fell asleep.
Hey Ryan, did you follow the science topic today?
Not really. It went too fast.
Yes, especially the last part.
The diagram on the board looked scary.
I just copied it without understanding.
Good. I thought only I was lost.
Did you finish yesterday's project work?
Nope, I stopped halfway.
Why?
I couldn't find the information online.
I found a website. It explained clearly.
Really? Can you send it to me?
Sure, I'll message you later.
Thanks. That saves me.
By the way, the history test is tomorrow.
Oh no, I completely forgot.
And you never remember dates.
My memory takes holidays.
Let's revise together this evening.
At the cafe near school?
Yes, around 6.
Perfect, I'll come.
What are you doing now?
Going home and having snacks.
Same plan here.
Food first, studies later.
Always.
Okay, see you in the evening.
Don't be late.
I'll try. No promises.
Hey, you came early today.
I didn't want the only empty table to disappear.
Good thinking.
I brought the history notebook.
Let's start with chapter 1.
The dates already look dangerous.
This king ruled for 20 years.
20. I'll remember that.
Try making a story in your head.
A crown, a war, and a long speech.
That actually works.
My brain likes drama.
Now a battle section.
Too many names.
Calmly, focus on only 2 important ones.
That feels easier.
We still have 30 minutes.
Really? Time is slow today.
Tomorrow it will run fast in the exam hall.
Please don't remind me.
You'll do fine.
Because of you.
Because of practice.
And your explanations.
Short break?
Yes, my head needs air.
So, how was football yesterday?
Amazing. I scored once.
Future athlete?
Only after exams.
Okay, last revision round.
Let's finish strong.
Tell me the main causes.
Trade, land, and power.
Perfect answer.
I finally understand.
Ready for tomorrow?
More ready than before.
Good.
Thanks for helping.
See you in the morning.
And don't forget a pen.
I never do. Good morning. You look nervous.
I didn't sleep properly.
That's normal before tests.
I hope my mind works today.
Just stay calm.
I'll try.
We still have 10 minutes.
Ask me one question.
Who started the reform movement?
The young leader from the capital.
Correct.
Good start.
Main reason for the treaty.
To stop the long conflict.
Perfect again.
Maybe I remember things.
See? No panic needed.
A little panic still there.
Looks like it's time.
Okay, here we go.
Do your best.
You too.
Seat number 12 for me.
I'm at the back corner.
Good luck.
Good luck.
Finally finished.
That was not scary at all.
Which question was hardest?
The map one.
Same here.
But the long answer was easy.
Yes, we revised it yesterday.
That saved me.
Freedom feels nice.
Celebration snack?
Definitely.
Let's go before the crowd comes.
What should we order?
I want something sweet.
Maybe chocolate shake?
Perfect choice.
2 chocolate shakes, please.
Today I'll pay.
Really?
Celebration treat.
Thank you.
Totally worth it.
It looks cold.
And tastes amazing.
My stress disappeared instantly.
Sugar therapy works.
Everyone looks happy today.
Exam's finally over.
Plans for the afternoon?
Maybe a movie at home.
Which one?
Something funny.
No more history today.
Please, no books.
Agreed.
That was refreshing.
My friends are messaging already.
About answers?
Of course.
I'm ignoring mine.
Want to walk to the park?
Good idea.
Fresh air after stress.
Best feeling ever.
Thanks for studying with me yesterday.
Teamwork helped both.
True.
Ice cream later?
You never stop eating.
Celebration day rules.
Fine. 1 scoop only.
Deal accepted.